have had the privilege of working with care providers, patients, legislators, and stakeholders to establish a law in Missouri that allows patients with special medical needs to receive a dose of their home medications for emergency conditions across the care continuum. We have found numerous circumstances where patients have had a delay in the administration of these potentially life-saving medications. The law also establishes an infrastructure to improve the education and coordination of care for patients with rare diseases and special medical conditions. We hope that this law will provide a model for other states who are hoping to improve the care for this patient population. Thank you.
I started CalRare in the hopes of bringing the rare disease community together in California. CalRare is dedicated to improving the lives of rare disease patients in California. We are a coalition of rare disease stakeholders with a goal to raise awareness among the general public and decision makers regarding rare diseases.
I'm excited to share that the California state budget includes $2 million to establish a pilot project for Medi-Cal pediatric patients with undiagnosed diseases using clinical whole genome sequencing. The first briefing of the Rare Disease Caucus was on this topic, and we are so grateful to our caucus champions, the state legislature, and Governor Brown for their urgent action.
I joined the rare disease world when my son was diagnosed with a very rare genetic syndrome called ADMP syndrome. He was the 11th child in the world diagnosed with this 3 years ago, and there are now currently 180 patients around the world diagnosed. My story was very impactful, coming from a mother with a child with such an incredibly rare disease. A simple stay-at-home mom like myself could advocate for others, and that could make a positive change for the rare disease community, and I've been hooked ever since.
My big brother Marcus Valentine lives with sickle cell disease hemoglobin SS, and together we co-founded Sick Cells. Sick Cells is a nonprofit that raises awareness about sickle cell disease, and our goal is to elevate the voices of the sickle cell disease community. We went to the FDA and we helped get a new drug passed for sickle cell disease. It's only the second drug to be brought to market. It was the first one ever designed for sickle cell disease specifically, and Marcus is currently taking the drug right now, so it's a really exciting milestone for us. It's just so inspiring to be around so many other rare disease advocates to learn and grow and be part of this community to try to make change for our populations.